News Center 5's David Bieniek live in Canton tonight with the possible reasons behind this legal maneuvering. David, good evening.
Ben, good evening to you. Unlike criminal cases, civil lawsuits are not necessarily tied to a specific location. And when it comes to how the outcome of the case can be affected, location can mean a lot.
Karen Reed filed a lawsuit last week against 8 people, 5 witnesses who were in the house the night John O'Keefe died, and 3 police investigators she says tried to frame her, and in doing so, violated her civil rights.
That is, of course, a federal issue.
And because of that, the defendants in Reed's lawsuit have now moved it from the state court in Bristol County to the federal court in Boston. But it might not stay there, says retired Judge Jim Barretto.
And I suspect we'll hear shortly, don't know, of course, that the plaintiffs, Ms. Reed and her attorneys, object to this attempt to remove this case.
In their filing, the defendants accuse Reed of an ongoing and malicious attempt to evade responsibility for John O'Keefe's death. They say she is smearing and defaming them, and that her lawsuit is a vengeful use of the judicial process.
What would you want to be paid to go through what I've been through?
Reed's criminal case ended with her being found not guilty of O'Keefe's death. If her civil case stays in federal court, no cameras will be allowed, and the jury will be drawn from a larger pool of people.
I suspect, and again, it's just my gut feeling, that they want this case in a federal district court which is far removed from an environment in the county court that they likely see as having been toxic.
Karen Reed faces a separate wrongful death lawsuit filed by the family of John O'Keefe in Plymouth County Court, and the witnesses that she is suing have threatened to sue her for defamation. Live in Canton, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.